I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the prerequisites. Both accounts must exist, the app updated, and network stable. Open the chat with the Streak friend and check the emoji and snap history to confirm last exchange. Once done, make sure you're not blocked or shadowed. If you can't send a chat, that's the core issue. Next, toggle airplane mode briefly, then reconnect. This can reset the app session. Do this now so you can move on to sending the recovery snaps. You'll now execute the recovery. Send a standard photo snap, no chat messages, no videos, no stories. The why is simple. Streaks count photo/video snaps exchanged and chats don't. Once you take a photo, don't add heavy filters that might change delivery. Press and hold the send arrow and pick the exact friend. Make sure you see the yellow arrow and the open/received icons. If the snap sends successfully, wait for their reply. That two-way exchange restores the Streak logic. Finish by confirming the other person opened and returned a snap. You need that reciprocal action. If the Streak doesn't update, collect proof. Screenshots of sent/open icons and timestamps, then contact Snapchat support through settings I need help my Snapstreaks. Also try clearing cache or reinstalling to resolve local sync errors. If you're blocked or deleted, only re-adding and exchanging new snaps will start over. Keep calm. Documentation speeds up support resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.